Okay, so here we're fairly close to the area to where I need to be. I'm checking my tires. They look to be okay. Now, one of the things that's going to happen with my new microphone is it's mounted to my helmet, so no matter which way I turn my head, it should be exactly the same level of quality. It should not change based on the direction I'm facing. So before, if I looked to the right and started talking, you would hear me less or left. Obviously, if I looked behind me, it would be less because it was on my chest. So its chest followed me pretty closely, but it did not follow me totally. So this is the head, which is the same thing my mouth's on. So whichever way my head faces, it continues to face that direction. So the quality should be the same. I don't know if that's going to be good quality or poor quality, but it'll be the same quality. Now we're just going to ride very close around the neighborhood. Not going to try to do anything too amazing. I want to be able to hear what's happening on the road. Plus, I want to hear myself talking. What I would like, and I'll probably try to speed up a little bit. So I can get some wind. I get a little bit of wind now, but I want to get more wind, so I'll have to get up to faster speed here at some point. Yeah, this thing is not going to be able to track me because I don't have a real destination. So let me turn my phone off. Man, does not want to come out of there. One-handed moving the phone around is not a good thing. All right, good. Now hopefully we can ride in peace without the phone talking to me. We didn't bring Garmin today because I don't know where I put it. And the test that I'm doing didn't need a Garmin anyway. Yeah, now coming down this hill here would be a good test because it always gets me up to 25 or so because the hill's so steep. All right, people. Hey. Okay, we got good wind here, that's for sure. All right, so that would work really well for wind tests. So I think we've pretty much did most of the things I want to do in this test. We'll just need to head home now and check out the sound quality. I kind of like to get the road noises too. But I guess we'll have to put off a little bit on that. After you go fast for a while, it feels a little weird going back to my normal speed. I still kind of like to get some road noise. Wonder how I can do that. Temperature is perfect. I don't know what temperature it is, but it's perfect, whatever it is. So this is close to 8 p.m. So the sun's going down. It'll be dark soon, so I can't go too far away. Yeah, sometimes it's really hard to get hopefully maybe when I get up here there'll be a lot of traffic for a minute or so where I can hear what the traffic sounds like. Now this house was for sale last time I was through this area. It's still for sale, which is unusual because usually houses turn over about every month really quick. So that must be, maybe they're pushing the price range. I know my house has increased about 17% over the last few weeks. So I guess that means that you need to, if it's worth $300,000, you need to put it in $350 just in case it's gone up. So they might be trying to push the envelope up a little bit higher. All right, so here we are. Let's listen to some of these cars go by. Yeah, that's getting me a little bit of noise, so that's good. Yeah, I need to figure out this mirror. It's not working exactly the way I would want it to. Okay, we're going to look this way, look at the squirrels. And then we're going to look at this other way at the squirrels on this side of the street. Squirrels everywhere. I just want to test how the sound changed or didn't change. It should not have changed. It should be exactly the same. Here we are with heavy wind again. We're going to turn down here. And we'll end up, right now we're going 14, but that's because we're going downhill. Now that we're going even, we'll slow down to about 10. My bike's a whole lot lighter today. I'm not carrying the extra battery or all the stuff, so it's probably closer to its original weight, around 90 pounds instead of 110. So I can tell the difference by just pedaling. Move it, squirrel, move it. Okay, I think that's it. We're ready to head in this route. So, good short journey, good test. Hopefully, good test. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to redo the last minute to show you the difference between what sound was like using GoPro only audio. Let me know if you think if you prefer GoPro or you prefer the new method that I'm using. All right, thanks. All right, so here we are. Let's listen to some of these cars go by. That's getting me a little bit of noise, so that's good. Yeah, I need to figure out this mirror. It's not working exactly the way I would want it to. Okay, we're gonna look this way, look at the squirrels. And then we're gonna look at this other way at the squirrels on this side of the street. Squirrels everywhere. I just want to test it, how the sound changed or didn't change. It should not have changed. It should be exactly the same. Here we are with heavy wind again. We're going to turn down here. And we'll end up, right now we're going 14, but that's because we're going downhill. Now that we're going even, we'll slow down to about 10. Okay, I think that's enough to get the idea of what the GoPro sounds like in comparison to the DJI Mic.